Hi, my name is Eduardo Lina. The goal of this video is to introduce you to one use of Moodle resources to teach any subject. In this case, grammar in context. To show you this, I will be using a Moodle Mashov platform. Why Moodle? Because Moodle is the best learning management system available, and I am a Moodle enthusiast. This is the context where this grammar point will be taught. Pupils will be reading a text and doing some language work, which includes learning grammar in context. To help you see how this is done, I will add the resources in a topic that is pretty clean. That is to say, in which there are not many activities and resources that have been added. I will first give this a title. To do so, I will add a resource called label. In this resource, just like in many others, I can add media or an image or text. I will add an image. Since I have this image in my Moodle platform, I will simply select one that I have recently used. It's called Grammar. I'll make it smaller so that it suits the other images that I have placed in the different topics. I will not give a description because it's not necessary, and then I will write the text that accompanies this label, grammar, and here you have it. The label serves as a title. I will now add a Moodle Book, a very good Moodle resource that will enable me to add as many chapters, pages as I want. I will call it grammar, and these are the different settings that I have. I'm not going to touch anything. I'm going to save and display and proceed to write the first chapter. The grammar topic that I'm teaching in context is conditional sentences. In this case, I'm going to be teaching conditional sentences types 1 and 2. Even though I'm going to mention conditional sentences type 3. I will use resources that are available on the internet. I did some Google search, I found something that was suitable, so I'm going to be placing a link to the source where I found this material. This is the internet source where I found the material. I can now proceed to use it as I see fit in my Moodle book, making the necessary changes that I may want. When I am done with editing, I need to save changes. I may find out that I have forgotten to add something, or that I may want to delete what I did or add a new chapter. In this case, I'm going to edit it a bit more by clicking there. When I have finished, once again, I must save changes. I'm going to add now another chapter, conditional sentences type 1, and in this case, I'm going to add a video. I have looked for the video I wanted to, so I'm going to share the video using the link provided in YouTube to add it to my Moodle resource. I simply copy and paste the link, turn it into a link on Moodle, copy the link, paste it. I don't need to have it open in a new window because the way I'm going to place it here will make it appear exactly where I want to and as I want to, here in this chapter.
Conditional sentence type 1. The three main types of conditional sentences. Here we're going to have a look at the so-called conditional sentence type 1. Here's an example. If I find the time, I will go.
I have added a video to the chapter, and now you see how this grammar point can be taught in context, and of course I can add more content, edit what I have done, or whatever. It all depends on the context in which I am teaching this grammar point or any other point I will be teaching on Moodle. This is what students could see, and now I have hidden it from the students to have it visible whenever I want. Thank you very much. Goodbye.